Talik, formerly known as Bifen, is effective for controlling a wide range of common household pests around the home. Talik works as a residual contact insecticide that binds to surfaces and remains active for weeks, so apply it as a spot or crack and crevice treatment rather than broadcasting it everywhere. For ants, target entry points, trails, and nests when visible, and apply Talik along baseboards, door frames, and outside foundations to interrupt foraging paths. Pair this with protein or sugar baits placed where ants forage to eliminate the colony more reliably. For spiders, treat corners, attic access points, window frames, and behind furniture and stored boxes, focusing on harborage sites where webs and egg sacs are present. Vacuum webs first to expose hiding spots, then apply Talik to kill adult spiders and reduce new web establishment. Roaches require treating along baseboards, behind appliances, under sinks, and inside voids if accessible, and combining Talik with gel baits or bait stations is best because the residual will kill exposed roaches while baits attract and eliminate individuals that do not contact treated surfaces directly. Centipedes and other crawling arthropods are best managed by treating perimeter zones, damp basements, and crawl spaces, reducing moisture and clutter to remove their preferred habitat so the chemical contact is more effective. Always read and follow the label directions for mixing, application rates, safety equipment, and allowable sites, and keep pets and people away from treated surfaces until dry. Common mistakes include over-application, which can waste product and create unnecessary exposure. Use only labeled rates and spot treat targeted areas. Another frequent issue is relying on Talik alone for tough ant or roach infestations. Supplement with appropriate baits and sanitation to remove food and water sources and to target colony members that avoid sprayed surfaces. A third concern is missing hidden nests or entry points, such as wall voids, attics, or outside landscaping. Inspect thoroughly, treat per label allowances, and monitor for new activity. Retreating focused locations rather than repeating wide area applications. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share experiences so homeowners can find people who do the work they need. We also help contractors get leads and participate in our discussion community where we exchange tips and ask questions about products like Talik.